Hey there! Today I have a short story to unbox. So if you're not familiar with Short Story, it's an online styling service just for petite women. It's kind of a smaller company. They're based out of San Francisco, and this is actually my third box. So I did a box last month and there was some kind of mix-up and they sent me out the wrong box. So I was contacted by the owner, and her name is Isabella, and she said that they would send out a replacement box. So here it is, and I guess it does take a little bit of time with this company, so you can expect that it'll probably take about a month from when you request your box to when you actually get it. I'll put some information in the description box below about how Short Story works, along with my referral link in case you want to check it out. I'll also put a card up above to my earlier Short Story video from last month. Okay, so here is what your Short Story box looks like, and this box, it feels pretty heavy. Okay, so here is what my box looks like inside, and it looks very good, I think. And you also get a very detailed note from your stylist. And wow, so my stylist is Catherine, and I have 5 items of clothing, and wow, it does look very nice, to be honest. It's pretty impressive. Here's just a peek. And each of the items, there's a pretty detailed description. I'm pretty excited. Actually, this is only, like I said, my third box, but I've been very happy with the other 2 boxes. I really like that it's geared towards petites, and I am only 5'1", so I'm very petite, because I think petite is up to 5'4" or 5'3" and under. So yeah, I'm well under that. Okay, so here's a peek at my bundle, and it does look very nice. It looks more sophisticated, I think, than my usual florals. I see a lot of black and neutral colors. The first item in my box is a bodysuit. Yeah, and I currently don't own a bodysuit, and to be honest, I haven't owned one in, I don't know, since college. And this is by Bar 3. It's a size small. It's the Gaia contour bodice, and it's $32.35. So it's not bad. Actually, this is a very nice basic. It has 3/4 length sleeve. Does it have snaps? Oh, it has snaps on the bottom. It doesn't look like it's not too, it's just very basic, and I guess it's something you can use, you know, with skirts and stuff. That'll make it look a lot more put together, I think. So yes, I'm very happy to try this because I haven't worn a bodysuit in many years. Okay, possibly many decades. Okay, all right, next. Oh, this is a very nice jacket, and this is by Philosophy, size petite medium, and it is the Petite Abbie double layer jacket. Oh, it's $25.82. That is an insane price. I hope this works out because I don't have a jacket like this. Okay, next. Okay. Oh wow, it's a pair of culottes. Huh. I don't have culottes, but I think this would be kind of cool, and we'll see. It's the petite elastic waist culottes from ALFANI, and small petite, we'll see, and it's $38.62, which is not a bad price, and they're just pull on, and the material, it's just very, it seems like it'll fall nicely. It has pockets. These look really nice, and let's hope they fit me and look good on me. All right, so far so good. Okay, next. Oh, this is very cute. It's a skirt. It's an animal print midi skirt, and it's by the brand EASEL, and it's $44.65. So this is really, I like this, but you know, I do have something kind of similar to this that I got from Loft, but it's not this camel color. So we'll see. I actually do have something similar though. But yeah, I like this. It's nice. It'll pair nicely with, I guess, the bodysuit. Okay, and lastly, I have this dress. Wow, this is nice. Okay, and this is by Chelsea 28, and it's a size 6 petite, and it's $136 $682. So it is a very pricey dress, but it's beautiful. This is a very nice, this is a special occasion dress. I don't know if I have a special occasion dress, but it is good to have one. So we'll see. This might be just kind of a good investment piece, I guess. Okay, so that was everything I got in my short starry box this month. And I think it looks very, very promising. So now I'm gonna go ahead and try everything on and we'll see how it looks. Okay, so here is the Culottes skirt and the bodysuit. And Gaia is making a lot of noise. She's playing. And I think the bodysuit, it's okay. It's a little bit on the low side. I find myself having to pull it up. I think it's, I probably could have sized up to a medium, probably. But I mean, I like the idea of it. And although actually maybe the medium would have been too low. And this skirt, it's cute. I do have something very similar. Just a different shade of animal print and without all the pleating. I'm not sure if I'm a big fan of all the pleating actually, to be honest, because I do think that might add some bulk. But I like the general style. So let's actually try it with a dark wash denim jacket. Okay, and here it is with the cut from the cloth Helena style dark wash denim jacket in medium petite, which I love this jacket. I have the same jacket in white and the medium wash. And I also have some, these are Blondo boots. And I think that is actually a very nice look. Just add a purse. And here it is, and I'm ready to go. But yeah, I like this outfit, except the only reason I wouldn't keep it is because of the, I have something similar already in terms of the skirt, and I'm not too sure about the sizing on the bodysuit. But overall, I like the look. Okay, so here are the black culottes, and I like the idea of these, but I think they are a little small. It looks nice. I think this is just a basic white top, and this is actually a Madewell top that I picked up from Nordstrom Rack. I don't think, yeah, I haven't worn it. This still has a tag on. But the only problem I have with these pants are they are a bit too snug, and I probably take medium petite on this. But I don't have a pair of culottes, and I think this would be a nice addition to my wardrobe if I could get the right size. Okay, so here's the jacket. And yeah, actually this is a very nice jacket. I actually don't have anything like it, so I'm debating keeping it, especially for the price. I think it was a really good deal. And it does have this double drape, which I'm not too sure about. I mean, but I think it looks okay. And this would be very nice to wear with jeans, I think. I just have it styled here with a denim skirt, and this is one that I picked up, gosh, maybe over a year ago from Banana Republic. And I've only maybe worn it once. The only problem I have with this skirt is it has this raw, unfinished hem. So it's not really very professional. But I like the skirt. It has a good length, and it has these buttons in the front. And just a simple tank top. And this is one that I got from Transcend a while ago. And actually, I haven't done a Transcend for a while, so let me know if you guys would be interested in seeing an unboxing for Transcend. But anyway, sorry. Yeah, so this is a very, I think, nice jacket, and I'm leaning on keeping this. Okay, so here is the last piece, which is this dress. And it's actually a very pretty dress. It's very expensive. Sorry, you can see my bra under. But for me, I think it's a little bit snug and a little short. I think this would be great for one of my daughters, though. And I just paired it with some, these are some one-strap sandals, and they're from Kohan. And let's see how it looks like for a night out. You'd want like a little purse, like this one. This is from Kate Spade. So just a small bag, some strappy heels or sandals. And then if it gets cold, you'd want something to throw over it. So I think since it's black on black would look nice. So I would just probably add like a black blazer. And this one is, it's from Walmart. But anyway, yeah, so This is a very pretty dress, but I think for me, just a little bit small and a little short, but it is nice. Okay, so I thought it was actually another good short starry box. I did have some fit issues. Some of the items were a little bit too small. Like I really did like these culottes, but you know, they were just a little too snug. I think with this brand ALFANI, I must be a medium petite, so we'll see. And as a whole, I would say the prices were pretty affordable. Like these culottes, they do feel nice quality. Were $38.62, and I know you can get these probably at Macy's, because this is a brand I've seen at Macy's. I'm not sure what the price is online, but I did like these. I think this jacket is a really good buy, and for the price it was only $25.82. But yeah, this is cute, and I don't have anything like it, so I think I'll be keeping this. I don't know about the bodysuit. I do like the idea of it, but I think this for me might have been a little bit on the small side. But we'll see. I mean, I'm happy to have tried it, and maybe I'll be on the lookout for another bodysuit that's bigger. Okay, and this animal print skirt I thought was really nice, and you know, I would consider it, except for I do have already a couple animal print skirts, but it is a very cute style, and I thought everything looked nice, you know. And then I wore these with the black booties and the bodysuit, and I thought that was nice, especially topped with a denim jacket. This dress is beautiful, and I know this is a very expensive brand. I think for me, it just didn't work. I think this is perfect for maybe like my daughter. Yeah, actually my older daughter was saying she needed a nice dress because she's going out to dinner at a very nice restaurant. But this would be the type of dress she would probably need. But yeah, I think for me though, it was a little bit small. Even though 6 petite is my usual size, maybe for this brand, I'm more of an 8 petite, I guess. Yeah. Okay, but overall, I think this was a very nice box. I'm very impressed with the items that I received. The quality was really good, and they were very nice items that were still kind of on trend, but not trendy, if that makes sense. And I do think that the items are definitely picked out by somebody that has good style. So that would be my stylist, and that is Catherine. In case you are watching, thank you. I think you did a great job. So, okay, and now it's time to say goodbye. And I have my 2 friends here who are very sleepy. And, oh, only Kaya's coming? Okay, I guess it'll just be Kaya. And here she is, Miss Kaya. Give her a treat. And Kaya, you want to say goodbye? Yes, Kaya says goodbye. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I do a lot of shopping hauls and unboxing videos. And if you enjoy watching those kind of videos, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time. Bye now. Bye. Yeah.